1951 Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith by Park Ward. Price: $32,500. Location: Iowa, USA. The 1951 Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith is not just a luxury automobile, it is a rolling masterpiece. From an era when craftsmanship mattered more than production numbers. Built with a stunning Park Ward coach-built body and finished in an elegant two-tone combination of soft blue-green over sea green. This British icon instantly captures attention wherever it appears. Even after more than 7 decades, the Silver Wraith remains one of the most respected and desirable classic Rolls-Royce models ever created. The first thing that stands out is the unmistakable presence of the legendary Rolls-Royce grille crowned by the famous Spirit of Ecstasy mascot, combined with chrome bumpers, white wall tires, fender-mounted mirrors, and graceful body lines. This luxury sedan represents the pinnacle of post-war automotive design. Every detail reflects the dedication of artisans who spent countless hours creating automobiles that were intended to last a lifetime. The interior is equally impressive, offering passengers a glimpse into a world of old-school luxury. Rich wood trim surrounds the cabin, while comfortable split-bench seating provides an inviting atmosphere. Fold-out picnic tables, an analog clock, and a classic push-button radio remind us of a time when traveling was an experience rather than simply a means of transportation. This cabin was designed to make every journey feel special. The Silver Wraith is powered by a smooth inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. A Strandberg carburetor handles fuel delivery, while period correct instrumentation from Smiths and Lucas maintains the car's authentic character. Additional features such as fog lamps, turn signals, Rolls-Royce wheel covers, a full-size spare tire, and factory accessories further enhance its appeal to collectors and enthusiasts. The story becomes even more fascinating when considering the car's California heritage. Vehicles from dry climates are often prized by collectors because they tend to survive decades with less corrosion than examples from harsher environments. This Silver Wraith carries that desirable history, making it an intriguing candidate for restoration or preservation. The fact that this Rolls-Royce is currently not running only adds to the opportunity for collectors who appreciate rare automobiles. Projects like this can be incredibly rewarding. Bringing a classic Rolls-Royce back to life is about more than mechanical restoration. It's about preserving an important piece of automotive history for future generations to admire and enjoy. The Park Ward coachwork is another reason this automobile stands apart. During the golden age of motoring, prestigious buyers often selected custom bodies from renowned coach builders, and Park Ward was among the finest in Britain.